What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I have with me a 15,000 peso or $300 smartphone mystery box. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I will give you 2 reasons right now to do it. First up, we are giving away not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 Vans sneakers, 4 of which are actually collaboration kicks. So make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, and then click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics of that giveaway. Now, I will be announcing the winners to that one this coming Sunday, but right after that, I will be announcing the mechanics for our giveaway for this Realme 3 smartphone. So again, lots of giveaways going on the channel, so make sure that you guys are part of the community by subscribing, following me on IG, and hitting the notification bell. It looks like you guys are loving the mystery box unboxing videos, so I'm making it a point to do more. So based on the last one that I did, the 100,000 peso or $2,000 gadget mystery box, some of you asked me to do the 15,000 or $300 smartphone mystery box again from Poundit. So here we have it. This is the $300 or 15,000 peso smartphone mystery box, and as the name implies, hopefully this has a really nice smartphone. So to those who don't know what mystery boxes are, you buy them from e-commerce websites such as Lazada, Poundit, Zalora, Shopee, and you don't know what's inside. So that's why it's a mystery box. Usually, the total value of what's inside the box should be greater than what you paid for it. Now, a lot of websites are actually a bit scammy on that part. They put in fake goods, they fake in not authentic stuff. But the great thing with Poundit, at least from the videos that you guys have seen me do in the past few weeks, is that the items are legit, they have official warranty, and usually the value is greater than what you paid for. So anyway, let's get to the unboxing. So as you guys can see, it comes wrapped in this like mega plastic all over it. So we will be needing our trusty cutter. So again, we're bringing out our Nike Off-White toolkit over here. So there you guys have it. It's my favorite unboxing kit. We have our Nike Off-White X-Acto knife to be able to tear through all of the plastic that this thing has. So there you have it, guys. We have all the plastic out. As you guys can see, it says here, unbox me, with the smiley face. You have the Poundit.com logo down here. It does come in your typical brown carton box from Poundit. So if we take out the cover, as with other Poundit boxes, it comes with a healthy serving of bubble wrap. Now, that's not just a therapeutic thing for you to pop if you are stressed. It actually keeps the item safe so that when it gets thrown left and right during delivery, the items are protected and properly insulated from damage. So let's take a look at what's inside the box one by one. Now, there are approximately 3 items. We see 3 items in the box. So there you have it. And just like other Poundit mystery boxes, the items themselves are wrapped in brown paper. So there's some sort of suspense and excitement as you unbox them. So what I'll do now is I will take out the smallest box first, and then we will do this one, and then we will do what looks to be the smartphone in the bunch. So let's start with the smallest item in the pack. So let's just take this open. I have a feeling this is a power bank. Ito na naman ako, puro power bank. Anyway, hopefully it is. Oh yay, finally, I finally get my power bank. So this is the Mi Power Bank 2. This is exactly the power bank that I've been wanting to get in the Xiaomi mystery box in my previous video. If you guys haven't seen my Xiaomi mystery box unboxing, the link to that one can be found down below in the comment section pinned, as well as the description box. So anyway, guys, this is the Xiaomi Power Bank 2. So it is the second version, 10,000 milliamperes. It is a 2-way quick charge. Li polymer battery, aluminum alloy, CNC edge, yeah, and it can charge pretty much your iPhone like 3.7 times. I finally get my power bank. After unboxing so many mystery boxes, I finally get the power bank. But anyway, that's the first item in the box. Next up, let's take a look at what's inside this one. So let's tear the brown paper apart. We have, this is nice. We have the Aukey EPB40 wireless earbuds. Now, this brand isn't getting enough love. I feel that they are severely underrated. A lot of the items that I bought from them are superior quality, they've lasted, they are durable, and they're just amazing all around. Now, granted, they are a bit pricey, compared to your generic non-branded tech gadgets. But when it comes to accessories, you really get what you pay for. This one is pretty good. The overall value, the quality, again, and the durability. So I wouldn't be surprised after testing this out that it actually delivers, well, over-delivers. Now this one is also, apart from being wireless, it's also IPX4 certified water resistant. So I'm not sure if that's good for swimming, but that should be good enough for you when you are running around doing your gym stuff and it getting wet, or when it's raining. So that's a pretty nice accessory to have in the box. This one, if I'm not mistaken, I have to check the receipt, sells for a little over 2,200 pesos. Not bad. Not bad at all. And lastly, we get to the main event, the highlight of this mystery unboxing. We have the smartphone. Again, guys, this is a $300 mystery box. It's a 15,000 smartphone mystery box. And as the name implies, it should have a smartphone. And as I can feel in my hand, this is definitely a phone. So what do you guys think? Is it Xiaomi? Is it Huawei? Is it Samsung? Definitely not Apple, but I can't think of an Apple phone that sells for like 50,000. But anyway, let's get to it. So let's just take a look at it together. I haven't seen what this is yet. So let's just rip it apart. And oh, I can already see the logo. It's a Huawei smartphone. Oh, guys, pretty good value. We have the Huawei Nova 3i. The Huawei Nova 3i is one of the best bang for your buck smartphones that you guys can get in the sub 15,000 peso price range. It has like an all metal and an all glass front and back look, making it a very premium smartphone to hold. And at the same time, it packs 4 cameras. It has 2 cameras at the front and 2 cameras at the back, which allow for you to take advantage of like that creamy bokeh effect when it comes to your portrait photos or whatever photos you want to take with your smartphone, and you want to have like that nice blurry effect at the back. It's also pretty good for gaming. So if you are looking for like a device to use for Mobile Legends, if you are looking for a device to just take really nice photos, an all-around device that won't like leave a gaping hole, burning hole in your bank account, this is the one that you guys should consider. Again, this is a smartphone that came in the 15,000 peso or $300 Poundit mystery box. Now let's take a look at all of the items combined and see the total value. So first up, we have the Xiaomi Power Bank 2, 10,000 milliamperes. This one sells for a little less than 700 pesos, actually exactly around 699 pesos. That's roughly, if I'm not mistaken, around 15 US dollars. I'm not sure if my math is correct, or 15 or 14 US dollars. Next, we have the Aukey B40 Latitude wireless earbuds in black. And this one, like what I mentioned earlier, sells for 2,299 pesos or a little over $40, around 45, 44 US dollars. Again, great value for money with this one. High quality, durable accessory that you can use with your smartphone. And lastly, we have the Huawei Nova 3i, which sells for 13,710 pesos on Poundit. So that's roughly a little less than 280 or 270 US dollars. Now, if you add everything up, if you add the total value of the 3 items, you go all the way to 16,570,000 pesos, roughly 330 or 340 US dollars. So you get $40 more in terms of the value of the items that you got, or you get like, what do you say? You get like 1,570,000 pesos more in value with the devices in the mystery box. Now, overall, this is actually one of the boxes that makes sense in buying, because you get a great smartphone, you get something that you really need. I mean, everybody needs a power bank these days, and you get a kick-ass earphones to boot. So in terms of overall value and practicality of all the mystery boxes that we've unboxed so far, I really think that when it comes to the needs or the items that you actually would need, especially if you are just starting in tech or you want to just start in gadgets, this one actually delivers. So that's actually it for our unboxing of the Poundit $300 or 15,000 pesos smartphone mystery box. Now, if you guys want to buy your own, I'm happy to share with you that we do have a partnership with them that allows for you guys, the viewers of this channel, to enjoy a discount, a 1,000 peso discount if you buy like something more than 10,000 pesos. So all you have to do, click the link down below and use the code, the promo code that's also written down below in the description box of this video and avail yourself of that free 1,000 peso off. So if you buy, for example, the Huawei Nova 3i, this one usually sells for 13,710 pesos. With the discount, you can get it for just 12,710 pesos. Not bad. And there you go, guys. That wraps up our video for today. I hope you enjoyed. Again, please do let me know what mystery box you want me to take on next. Let me know down below in the comment section. That's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe. We have the 2 giveaways. We have the Van sneakers. Winners will be drawn this Sunday. And we will be announcing also the mechanics for the Realme 3 smartphone giveaway soon after. Again, guys, this is Carlo. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.